Hi, it's Elisa, and it's Thursday. It took me a second. I'm Elisa with Closet Confidence, and I'm a wardrobe stylist and stylist with Stella and Dot, and I have been trying to come to you every day for the last, it's been a while now, month or so, with closet editing tips, style tips, quick odds and end tips. And so, hey Mary, today is a tip for Thursday. It's if you have a necklace. I have lots of necklaces because I'm a Stella and Dot stylist as well. But a lot of my clients come to me and they have little tiny knots in their necklaces and they don't know how to get them out or what to do. So I'm going to point this down here and I'm going to try and show you, but it's really tough to see. Hey Mary, hey Sandy. Okay, so here's the deal. You can take a pin. It could be a sewing pin. This happens to be one of these cute little pins. You can take a tack. Anything that has a super tiny edges, and then you just want to use the pins, the ends of the pins, and you have to put your glasses on to kind of pull it apart and untangle it. So I hope that was helpful, and if you want to see any more tips, or please check out my new YouTube channel. I'm trying to up my subscribers so I can name it Closet Confidence, and I will post a link in the comments. I would love for you to subscribe, and then check out my Closet Confidence website. I just had it redone and it's gorgeous, I think, and I'd love for you to sign up for the newsletter. I'm giving away top 10 tips to clean out your closet. Since we're all home, why not try and, hey Tammy, why not try and clean out some of the things that you know you're not wearing? I would love your support, closet-confidence.com. And if you have a topic or a style tip or a question that you'd like me to cover, then please leave leave your comment or notes or question or what have you in the comments, and I will try and get to you in the coming days. And if you're watching this on replay, then please just post that you're watching on replay. I love your support. I hope you are staying happy and healthy while we're all on lockdown, and I can't wait until we can go out and hug our peeps and have some fun and go back to whatever the new normal is. I'll talk to you later.